For 25 years, AGNI Power has been a symbol of excellence in solar PV engineering industry in India. Since 1995 our goal has been to make our home better. What is our home? It's not just our house or the cities and the countries. Our home is bigger. It has provided us with the shelter and substance that we need to grow and prosper. Now our home needs care, and care means nothing without action. AGNI has successfully commissioned more than 10 megawatt peak solar PV standalone systems and more than 50 megawatt peak solar PV grid and connected grid tie systems in India. We manufacture high-quality, high-performance and robust power conditioning units and BOS systems in our own modernized, well-equipped factory at Howrah. All our products are designed and developed by our own research and development unit, and are tested and certified by accredited certifying authorities, TÜV Rheinland and ERTL. Our home has treated us well, but as temperature increases and sea level rise, it is time to change the way we treat our home. AGNI celebrates proud 25 years of clean energy. Take a pledge with us to empower a greener tomorrow.